guys, the human sprinklers are here.
Yesterday, I told you about people who give me the fuel to keep going. Today, I drove 3 hours to meet one of them. This is Daniel.
Hi guys.
And Daniel is actually doing something pretty fucking cool. He's starting his own 30-day journey.
Yeah, my name is Daniel and I struggled with drug addiction from a young age till about 10 years ago, with a few minor relapses along the way. Cannabis, though, was the one thing I never managed to quit.
Daniel has been following my journey, and he reached out to me and told me that watching my videos gave him the push to start his own. What was that made you think, okay, I'm going to do this?
Yeah, now that I'm on disability pension and other parts of my life has changed for the better, I knew it was time. Then I saw Casper Cleary's video about his first day clean, and I made a decision and thought, now, it's time now.
Bro, honestly, that means more to me than you probably realize. When I started these videos, I wanted to be completely honest about what recovery actually looks like. The good days, the bad days, the fucking emotions, everything. But I never knew that someone would actually watch it and think, I'm going to start my own journey. And now you're doing 30 days yourself, documenting it and putting yourself out there. What do you hope you're going to get out of these 30 days?
Yeah. What I hope to get out of these 30 days is more than just getting clean. I hope my journey can inspire someone else to take that first step too, do the same thing. I want to be I want to live a more stable life for me and my boys, where we can travel and live freely without dad struggling. Most of all, I want to become the best version of myself, for me, but especially for my boys.
And that's what I love about this. We are not competing. We are helping each other. He's doing his journey in Danish, I'm doing mine in English, but the goal is exactly the same. I'm fucking proud of you, brother.
Thank you.
Today is my 10th day.
And today is my first day.
Are you ready?
Yes.
One day at a time!